Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to properly fix this issue where you would apply a certain text format and it will display a certain color or thereabout. Okay, so very quickly, here's what I mean. Okay, so I'm going to preview this. Yeah, so let's take for example right now, this is a subheading, the part one, what actually is an experience and stuff. I actually want to increase this text size, all right, and I have my text format created previously. So I come down to my CMS, all right, and right here on this section of Framer, I can actually be able to change this text format right here. And I'm going to change text format by applying heading 4, all right. And then since I've actually changed this, I can be able to preview this, all right. But then I actually have this issue right here, right, which is the new text format that I've actually applied does not really display properly. It gets all darkened out and I'm unable to read this properly. So I'm going to be showing you a very quick fix to this. Okay, so what you should do is to head back to your blog page. All right, in this case it's actually my blog page. It may actually be any page that you're trying to apply this generally. Okay, when you get down to that page, you click on the text area that's you're working on, and when you do that, you would notice that these options are now available. Okay, when you come down to your H4 and H5 settings, you realize that these actually have a different color, and this is literally the reason why the text, it's actually dark and it's different from the rest of it. The H1 is dark, 2 dark, 3 dark, and the rest of that. Okay, so all you have to do is come down here. I'm going to be editing that of the H4 first of all. Okay, and then you make that dark. All right, and then you do the same for the H5. All right, and then you realize that this has been applied properly. Also, you can go into edit or make changes to the properties of this text label or this text format. All right, you can change the styles, you can change the weight, you can change the text font so that when you make these changes, it is applied all across your design holistically. All right guys, I hope this helps. Yep, yeah, this is actually a very simple fix, and it may actually be an issue that a beginner may actually be encountering when they're trying to work on a particular project or thereabout. I hope this helps, and do have a wonderful day.